Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said, faster horses. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.